is where you hide stuff.
Yes.
This is your Monica closet.
Yeah.
Hey, and welcome back. I'm here with Kelly in her beautiful home and beautiful kitchen. When I first walked in, I was like, why am I here?
It's hidden.
It's hidden. We're gonna make a big transformation behind closed doors today, but the first thing we have to do is take everything out, and we're gonna start with food. Kelly is a classic ladybug, like 100% ladybug. She hides absolutely everything. She has a lot of anxiety if she sees any surface clutter at all. So if someone sets down keys or a bill that needs to be paid or food, she immediately shoves and hides it away. Every single hidden space is jam-packed, and every cabinet has some sort of food hidden inside. Holy Hannah! This is a cereal.
We are big cereal fans.
Let's see here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19 boxes of cereal. This home has more food than any home I've ever organized before, and it's all hidden, so you would never know it. Look, box of cereal. Why do you think you have so much food? I know we've just met and this is a personal question, but this is a lot of food.
Yes. I think because I didn't know what I had, so I would buy duplicates of it, right? So I needed some peas, but I did have peas already in the back of the cupboard, but I would go buy more peas because I needed them at that moment, so.
Right, and you couldn't see them. So I'm gonna guess a lot of this is expired.
Yes.
Because I think a lot of this is forgotten. So here are the rules. We're just gonna start tossing anything that's expired.
Okay.
If you come across something that you bought that you don't like and your family doesn't like, I want you to let go of that scarcity mindset. When I see this, I see, what if? I better have just in case.
Yes.
But if you haven't eaten it and you don't like it, let's donate it to a food bank.
Okay.
So that your kitchen has breathing space. So when you go to cook, you can see everything you have. It's really obvious, and it's not hidden behind food you'll never eat and don't like. Six trash bags of expired food. But I feel good. Do you feel like stressed about this, or does this feel like a weight off your chest?
This feels like a weight off my chest. Yeah, I don't feel stressed at all about this.
So these trash bags, we're putting them to the curb, and we're moving on to dishes and appliances. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do this.
Let's do it.
I could not believe how much excess was in this kitchen that seemed really tidy from the outside. Every single cabinet, every single drawer was bursting at the seams. Kelly's like a Tetris master. She could stack like nobody's business, but pulling everything out, even she was shocked by how much she had. And now we are tackling her home's biggest issue of all. When I first came to Kelly's house, I came in and I'm like, why am I here? It's so tidy. But I know I found a ladybug because I asked you if I could snoop, and I opened this door and I can relate. Are you ready for it? What is going on in here? This is a huge closet. This is where you hide stuff.
Yes.
This is your Monica closet.
Yes.
I love it so much. You know, I looked at it and I was like, there's a bat. Is this like protection?
Yeah.
You don't have to need the bat, because if you open the door, this will fall on their heads and
yes.
crush any intruder that comes into your home. Just having functional storage in here, we're gonna turn this into a pantry of your dreams. We're gonna empty this entire closet.
Okay.
I know there's things at the bottom that have been in here for 4 years. I want you to really be ruthless.
Okay.
Stuff shuffling is how you got into this problem.
Okay.
Things have to leave.
Yes.
More cereal.
Okay, more cereal. Shove it in there. Yeah.
Shut the door.
Oh, there's company coming. Let's shove it in there.
Who can relate to this? And this expired.
Oh.
2020.
Oh, geez.
More cereal. cereal. So this closet is empty. I would say 95% you let go. I was so proud of you. Kelly said, I don't even want to look in the box. It can just go. 4 years of an unused Monica closet that just got shoved is now going to be a beautiful functional pantry. I'm shocked how much came out because your kitchen is still full.
Yeah.
It really is. It's just not stuffed. And this is how you know you're going to be able to keep it neat and tidy, not lose things, not have expired food anymore, because you can see and access and put things away really easy, and you're going to have clutter-free countertops.
Nice. That's my favorite part.
I'm excited too! Kelly's homework was to get rid of all the trash, the recycling, and the donations, and just live with less for a couple of days before I come back and do the organization. We are back with Kelly for day 2. We decluttered last time. We got rid of more in your kitchen than I'd ever got rid of in any kitchen before, and it was all hidden.
Yes, 285 pounds. My husband weighed it, 285 pounds worth of garbage gone.
285 pounds. Okay, today it's all about organization. I'm actually gonna kick you out. We are going to surprise you with a brand new pantry and some little organization in the kitchen. I promise you, you will never struggle with clutter again. Are you ready?
I am ready.
Okay, go relax, go. I'm gonna finish the space, bring Kelly back, and surprise her. One of the big things we're doing in this kitchen is just rezoning. Kelly is a ladybug. She wants to see nothing, and they love entertaining. So we have all their wine and different alcohol. We're actually gonna create an entertaining cabinet, getting the clutter off the counter and hidden away. This is where Kelly has her current junk drawer, and this is actually such an important drawer. It's where she stands to pack up lunch. It's really close to the sink. It shouldn't be a junk drawer. It should definitely be where they keep dish towels and maybe sandwich bags and plastic wrap. So I'm gonna take everything out. We're gonna actually create a new junk drawer in her entranceway. So I have 4 baskets that will fit. So I'm creating 4 categories just by looking at what is in here. I see a lot of like COVID related type things. So we're gonna have one for health. We're gonna have one for home. Papers are gonna find a new home. I think we're gonna have one for batteries and one for miscellaneous. Now that we know each of the categories, it takes seconds just to take out and organize. This is the spot in Kelly's kitchen where they were naturally piling all their snacks on the counter, and it was driving her crazy. So we're creating a snack cabinet right above where they naturally pile, and we have baskets, labeled baskets for all the different types of snacks. This is going to transform their kitchen, just one cabinet filled with baskets. This little console table is exactly where they're naturally piling stuff when they come in, so it's the perfect spot for a command center. Love this little paper organizer, but we can add all the things they usually drop, like keys and sunglasses right here. And in the bottom, this is where we went ahead and put all of the junk drawer type items. So batteries, extra home products, and even manuals are right here. The biggest transformation in this kitchen is definitely adding a pantry. This closet was a hot mess. What an amazing opportunity to create food storage. I just installed really inexpensive wire shelving. Now I'm gonna fill it up with all their food. Hi, are you ready? It looks the same because your kitchen was already super clean,
Right,
but
everything's behind
closed doors. So I don't want you to see your pantry yet. I just want you to snoop in the cabinets and check it out. Are you ready to see your pantry?
Yes.
Get in there. Go check out your beautiful new pantry.
Oh my god, I love it.
It's pretty amazing what adding some simple shelving and baskets can do, especially for us ladybugs that like to hide in closets. I hope you're feeling really inspired, and we'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. What did you think of Kelly's transformation? I feel like I could relate more to Kelly than any other client I've ever worked with, because when I started my journey, this is how I thought I had to get clean. So I lived with clutter everywhere. Then I thought I had to get organized, which meant not looking at anything. And so every single hidden space was jammed full. I'm still that way. I'm still 100% a ladybug. I hide stuff everywhere. And I have a closet just like Kelly in my house right now, even though I'm an organizing expert. It's called a Harry Potter closet. And I know I've shown you how many times have I done this closet, and still I would die if anyone peeked in there. I have to crawl on my hands and knees and climb like I'm in some sort of spy movie, you know, with those beams, just to get a suitcase. It's a thing. If I want to decorate for a holiday, I have to take everything out and then shove it all back in this horrible dance called Crazy Heidi Hoarder Cass. And I don't know. I want to know in the comments below if you have an area of your home that's just a wreck. Like, what is the one space you struggle the most with? It used to be my master bathroom too. I finally have that under control. Yeah, boy! I just had to get rid of almost everything I own. But this Harry Potter closet, anyways, I can just really relate to Kelly. And so I love this transformation because, yeah, you don't see it, right? It's not like, woo, before and after. It looks exactly the same on the outside. But having less on the inside is really life-changing too. Like, organization that you can't see is what changed my life, because every single day, if I needed something, it's just like the Harry Potter closet. I would have to pull everything out and then shove it back again. There wasn't a day that I wasn't spending at least an hour looking for something, taking things out, making a mess, and shoving it and hiding it again. And I don't have to do that anymore. I'm watching Netflix to make up with the extra time I have in my day, but I'm also not stressed anymore. I don't feel like that anxiety about everything being mixed together. So anyways, this isn't really an end story, just that I can relate. And I'm curious of your biggest problem area in your home. So let me know in the comments below. We'll see you next time.